Un vato me dijo cuando respondí un comentario así: güey, ¿para qué haces esos videos ni que tuvieras 1 millón de seguidores? Güey, le estoy echando ganas, algún día voy a tener 1 millón. Es más, si tú estás viendo esto, sígueme porque algún día vamos a llegar a ese 1 millón.
Ya arreglé el slime que estaba todo seco, todo malo. Así que si quieren ver cómo lo arreglé, vayan a las historias de mi Instagram y ahí vean cómo lo arreglé y qué utilicé para arreglarlo.
Now that I got a taste, I think that I'd suffocate for every second that you are by my side. But now I'm stuck at the gate, a Lucifer's estate. I fell in love with a girl I met in hell.
Send this to someone you don't like. Roses are red, violets are blue. A monkey like you belongs in the zoo. Don't worry, I'll be there too, outside the cage, laughing at you.
Follow your dreams, bitch! I love aggressive positivity. Hey, you! You're fucking wonderful, okay? You're beautiful and you're doing great and I'm very proud of you. Fuck everyone else! You're a beautiful butterfly and you deserve love.
If you wanna run away with me, I know a galaxy and I can take you for a ride. I had a premonition that we fell into a rhythm where the music don't stop for life. Glitter in the sky, glitter in my eyes, shining just the way I love.